Hi guys, oh my goodness, I have been selling loads of these. It's unbelievable on TikTok. So I've just ordered myself another one because I'm going to give this to my friend. It's come delivered today. So this is the pressure jet. It comes in a nice little box here. So I'm going to put it together now. So it comes with the instructions, but we are going to go through this together now. So here's the hose. Here is all the attachments. Another attachment there. And you have the water bottle. That's if you want if you don't want to use the bucket, if you want to just use that, and you put liquid in there, and I think like fairy liquid. So this is the jet and your battery adapter charger. The battery just slides on the bottom. I haven't charged this, so it might need a bit of a charge because this is straight out of the box. But it's working, but it might need a bit of a charge. Just opening all these here. We're going to put these together now. And this is the filter, and these are all the different attachments here. Right, so this was attached to here, so you need to unscrew that, put that on there, and then we're going to just put this on the end and then screw it on here. Right, that's attached. Just going to screw it on nice and tight there. And this little filter goes on the other end there. Just going to push that on like so. Then we're getting this bit and attaching it to the water jet gun here. Right, now we're going to attach the hose to the bottom. Just clicks into place like so. Because this end with the filter here goes into the bucket of water. By the way, the bucket isn't supplied. But there is one thing, I have this left over. I'm not actually sure what to do with this bit, but if you do, let me know. These are the other attachments you get here for different pressures. You also get this with different filters, and they just go on the end. So once you've attached this to the gun, you just pull back this nozzle here and then let it go, and it attaches to all. You can do all the attachments like this. You've got a couple of options here, and I'm going to show you the different sprays. And if you want to soap up whatever you are spraying, just put some soapy water in here. And again, attach this, and the water goes into here and sprays out all the foam wash. I'm going to show you the different sprays now. Let's try this, baby. Right, I'm just going to show you in my bath because it's raining outside today. So I'm just going to show you all the different pressures. Right, I've got a bucket. I'm just going to fill this with water now. Right, just filling my bucket up with water. Right, so this filter just goes into the bucket there. Okay, that's it. Right, so I haven't charged this up, so it might need a bit of charge. So we're going to use this nozzle first. Just going to put this on here. Yes, that's removing the line scale. Can you see? That's removed the line scale on my bath. Right, that's nozzle one. Because people are asking this to me to show you the different pressures. Right, the beauty of this is you can use it anywhere. You do not need electric supply, power supply. This is the other nozzle already. Can you see? Look at that. Remove it. Oh, just removing the lime scale. And then we are attaching this nozzle that's got multi-functions on there. So you just turn it here, see what function you want. So this is 15%. This is like a 0. Oh, that's like, see that spray coming in? This is third spray. Ooh. These functions are amazing. Then we've got like a shower here. And then like a 40 50% soap. And then 25% power. That's not as powerful, that one, if you wanted to do something a bit delicate. Right, so I've just added some soap to this bottle. And we're going to put this on the attachment here. And watch this soak up. You can put a bit more soap in it if you want, but that, can you feel the soap coming out there? Yeah. You can soak up and get your screen soaking wet. This is amazing, guys. This is amazing. This is such a good deal. Please check out the link. I've sold so many of these. It's ridiculous and it's well worth it.